What's going on, y'all? It's Djnmedia in the spot. Today we got a little POV drive for y'all. Damn, I can't speak English. Driving home. If y'all, just a little in-cabin feel, driving around. This is after the cat delete, so I'll probably tag this on to the cat delete video. Y'all let me know if y'all like this angle. Car is still warming up. Tranny's not. Well, the car is actually warm. The tranny is not warm yet, so my downshift sound like bullshit right now. Sounds like it needs help. Y'all enjoy, man. We're just gonna sit and drive, man. Not too much talking, just kind of want y'all to just relax type shit. Choose my ashy ass hands too. I just wash my shits, bro. Nigga working in service, so y'all know how that go. But I caught a 350Z on the way back, back by Georgia. And yeah, I think I probably got second gear or third gear, but I was high up in that. Nah, probably like second gear or something like that. But I was definitely in VTEC, and I'm sorry, but VQ is dead. I almost like a Baltimore nigga. But yeah, man, VQ is dead. Pulled on him, and then I let off. That's it. Why is he trying to switch in front of him? That's kind of crazy. That's a crazy switch, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Oh. Thought he was on that. Sounds all clear. Now he's in. Second gear. Shit sound like a Lexus. Lexus redline be just like that. Banging that shit. Oh shit. Sex or something, man. I gotta build something. Or y'all let me know in the comments if you guys want me to get an Accord again, because I'm thinking about that too. And doing the 6-speed swap myself, which was pretty easy to do. I mean, Mike did it for me, and all it seems to be is just dropping the subframe, and then you kind of get to the tranny, and then you bolt up the new one. There's no rearrangements. You got to do any bolts, new bolts, or any welding. It bolts right up to the K24 Z3. So y'all let me know if y'all want to see that. I'm definitely thinking about doing an Accord again. Just do a K24, do my RBC again, intake, of course, tune it, and then from there, I'll either try to see if I could do a different head, as in do it like a K20 head on that Z3 block, or if I'll do just boost, just go supercharge on the Z3. I know no one has, I mean, no one did literally what I was doing, but no one has a K24 Z3 supercharged. So I could definitely do some shit like that, or boost it with turbo, but I think I might try supercharge just because instant. I never really had supercharge before. Turbo is fun though, yeah. Turbo is definitely fun. Clicky ass. Like clicky. Fresh Kicks would not approve of these paddle shifters. He don't like his shit's clicky. We could turn traction back on. This bitch is a little too slow to even have traction off. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoying this shit, man. But this is fun. It's fun to see the camera recording. It's fun to edit these kind of videos. Got 370 wheels on it. First drop, clean paint. But hey, man, he probably gonna get there. Or she. T40 I. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I'm about to cut it right here. Djnmedia in the spot, man. Oh my gosh. See, this is why I don't like driving out here, bro. Because these people be stupid. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Love y'all. Oh my gosh. Here we go again.